Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Instagram public account. First, navigate to your profile settings and switch to a professional account. This unlocks key features for public engagement. Next, confirm your account is set to public under privacy. Finally, optimize your profile with a compelling bio and a high-quality profile picture. These initial steps are crucial for attracting and retaining followers, making your content easily discoverable by a wider audience. To truly shine, focus on creating high-quality content. Share clear photos and engaging videos regularly to keep your audience interested. Utilize relevant hashtags, aiming for a mix of popular and niche tags to expand your reach beyond your current followers. Remember, interaction is key. Respond to comments and direct messages promptly. This shows you value your community and encourages more engagement, building a loyal following over time. Growing your audience requires strategic effort. Consider collaborating with other public accounts in your niche. This exposes your content to their followers and vice versa. Running contests or giveaways can also significantly boost your follower count and engagement. Don't forget to cross-promote your Instagram on other social media platforms, directing your existing audience to your public account. These methods are effective for expanding your reach and attracting new, interested followers. For long-term success, regularly check your Instagram insights. This data helps you understand what content resonates most with your audience, allowing you to refine your strategy. Always maintain a consistent brand voice and visual aesthetic across all your posts. This builds recognition and trust. Remember to stay authentic and true to your brand. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.